pen and paper to note down your scores, and at last you can tell me your score in comment section. So let's start our test. First question is, education services provided by certain NGO is example of dash. First option is business services, social services, personal services, and none of these. So here when we are talking about education services and it is provided by NGO, so it is a part of what? Part of social service only. So the correct answer is social service. Next is, what is the full form of NEFT? Options are like this: National Electric Fund Transfer, National Electronic Financial Transfer, National Electronic Fund Transfer, or National Electric Financial Transfer. So NEFT, here all options are there. See, the words are little bit changed, but the correct answer is option C, National Electronic Fund Transfer. Next is, in which bank account fixed amount is deposited every month for fixed period? Options are like this. First is a fixed deposit, recurring deposit, savings deposit account, and current account. So out of all these four, we know the recurring deposit account is there, in which you have to deposit fixed amount for the fixed period. So correct answer is option B, recurring deposit account. Next is, in which type of account highest interest is paid? Options are like this: savings account, fixed deposit account, recurring deposit account, and current account. So here four options are there. The answer is option B, fixed deposit account, because in this the bank is getting the amount for the fixed period of time. Next is, in which type of bank account no interest is paid by bank? Options are like this: recurring deposit account, fixed deposit account, current account, and savings account. So here the correct answer is option C, current account, because in current account, in a single day only, lots of transactions take place and there is no restriction on transactions. So bank is not paying any interest on this. So correct answer is option C, current account. Next is, which bank service of following will use if Krishna, a trader of Mathura, wants to send rupees 50,000 to Karim, a trader of Goa? Options are like this: cash credit, pay order, overdraft, and bank draft. Alright, there are many options of sending money from Mathura to Goa, but here only we have to select out of four. So here cash credit is not, pay order is not, overdraft is not. The correct answer is option D, bank draft, which is also known as demand draft. Next is, minimum value of transaction is rupees 2 lakh in dash: NEFT, RTGS, overdraft, cash credit. So here minimum value of transaction, when we are saying the minimum value of transaction is 2 lakh, it is in RTGS. So the correct answer is option B, RTGS. Next is, which of the following is not a function of insurance? Options are like this: risk bearing, assisting in capital formation, lending funds, and none of these. So when we are talking about insurance, risk bearing, yes, it is a function of insurance. Assisting in capital formation is also function of insurance. So here correct answer is lending funds, option C, lending funds. Next is, which of the following is not applicable in life insurance contract? Options are like this: conditional contract, unilateral contract, indemnity contract, and none of these. So when we are talking about life insurance, here the indemnity contract, it is not applicable because it is saying that how much loss you are suffering, that much amount only you will get. But for the life insurance, it is not, the loss is not measurable. That's why our correct answer is indemnity contract. Next is, where insurable interest is not seen: own life, own family, lender on debtor's life, and best friend's life. So when we are talking about insurable interest, here the friend's life, best friend's life, it is not showing insurable interest. So that's why correct answer is option D, best friend's life. Here insurable interest is not seen. Next is, in which insurance loss is not measurable? Mediclaim policy, fire insurance, life insurance and marine insurance. So I already told before that in life insurance the loss amount is not measurable. So correct answer is option C, life insurance. Next is, which is not principle of insurance? There are 7 principles of insurance. Let's see which are given here. Indemnity principle, then contribution, cooperation and mitigation. So here we can see indemnity, contribution and mitigation, they are principles of insurance. The cooperation is not a principle of insurance, so that's why our answer is option C, cooperation. Next is, which policy is best for person who wants regular income after certain age? The options are like this: whole life policy, endowment policy, joint life policy and annuity policy. So here you can see whole life, the amount you will get after the death only. Endowment policy also after completing certain age. Joint life is for the insurance for more than one. But here the special requirement is there. They want here person wants regular income. So the correct option is annuity insurance policy, in which the person is getting regular income after attaining a certain age. Next is, in which insurance element of certainty is there? Options are like this: fire insurance, mediclaim policy, life insurance and marine insurance. So when we talk about certainty, see, marine, mediclaim and fire, in all the cases the element of uncertainty is there. But in the case of life insurance, the death is certain. That's why our correct answer is option C, life insurance. Next is, which is not part of marine insurance? Ship, cargo, freight and fire. So you can see in marine insurance, ship, cargo and freight, they are a part of marine insurance only. But when we are talking about fire, it is not a part of marine insurance. So that's why here correct answer is option D, fire. Next is, in which insurance insurable interest must be present at the time of loss only? Specific requirement is there, only at the time of loss. The options are like this: marine insurance, life insurance, fire insurance and none of these. So when we are talking about at the time of loss only, the marine insurance is there, in which you must have a insurable interest at the time of loss only. At the time of taking policy, it is not necessary you must have a insurable interest, okay, in the subject matter. So correct option is option A, marine insurance. Next is, which insurance is taken for protection against loss of goods on voyage? Options are like this: ship, freight, cargo and none of these. So here when we are talking about goods lost on voyage, so at that time they are taking cargo insurance. Okay, so the correct option is option C, cargo. Next is, in which insurance element of investment is there? Options are like this: life insurance, fire insurance, marine insurance or mediclaim. So when we are talking about element of investment, so in life insurance element of investment is seen, because we are getting some amount back after completion of particular period or after death. So correct option is option A, life insurance. Next is, which principle of insurance is breached if insured is not taking steps to minimize the loss? Options are like this: contribution, subrogation, mitigation and utmost good faith. So when we are talking about the steps to minimize the loss, it is covered in principle of mitigation. So correct answer is option C, mitigation. Next is, which principle is not applicable to life insurance? Here the question is repeated but options are different. Let's see the options. First is utmost good faith, insurable interest, contribution and none of these. So when we talk about life insurance, here the contribution, principle of contribution is not applicable, because it is saying that if you are taking insurance from more than one insurer, at the time of loss it will be in proportionate, it will be paid to you. Alright, but in life insurance, just because loss is not measurable, so this principle is not applicable. If you are taking insurance for from three insurer, all will pay the fixed amount to you. They will not pay you in proportion of your insurance, of your premium or assured amount. So correct answer is option C, contribution. Next is DTH services are provided by dash. Transport companies, cellular companies, banks, none of these. So here I don't have to don't need any explanation, because the correct answer is option C, cellular companies. Banks and transportation company, they are not providing such services. So correct answer is option B, cellular services. Next is what is full form of VSAT? Let's see the options. Very small active transmission, very small aperture transmission, very small aperture terminal, very small active terminal. So the words are little bit different here, but the correct answer is option C, very small aperture terminal. See, this type of question is coming in competitive exams, so they are playing with words, but here correct answer is option. Next is the principle of insurance wherein insured is not allowed to make any profit. Options are like this: A, insurable interest; B, proximate cause; subrogation; and utmost good faith. So when we are talking about profit, it is not allowed at all in insurance, but here option C, subrogation. Principle of subrogation is saying that after getting the loss amount, the scrap of the loss, the scrap property is taken by the insurance company only, not by the insured person. So this is why, because in insurance earning profit is not allowed. So correct option is option C, subrogation. Next is fire insurance contract has an element of protection, investment, profit or income. Alright, so fire insurance is not investment, not profit, not income, but it is protection. It is taken for protection. That's why the option A is the correct answer. Next is which of the following service of bank permits withdrawal of money more than balance in account? Options are like this: bank account, bank draft, overdraft, fixed deposit or debit card. Alright, so when we are talking about withdrawal of money more than in your bank account, it is allowed in overdraft, that is bank overdraft also we can say. So the correct answer is option B, overdraft. Next is which insurance is also known as contract of assurance? Options are like this: life insurance, health insurance, marine insurance and fire insurance. So when we are talking about assurance, the option A, life insurance, is the correct answer, because here whose life insurance is taken, he or she is also known as assured. So the option A, life insurance, is correct answer. Next is you are allowed to spend more than the balance in your bank account is possible in debit card, credit card, current account or none of these. So when we are talking about balance more than you are allowed to spend more than in your bank account, it is possible in credit card only. So the correct answer is option B, credit card. Next is which is satellite based service? Cable services, fixed line services, DTH services or none of these. So the correct answer is here option C, DTH services. It is a satellite based service. Next is at the time of loss, which amount the insured will get in fire insurance? Policy amount, actual loss amount, policy amount and actual loss amount, whichever is less, or both A and B. Alright, so when we are talking about fire insurance, you are not allowed to get policy amount because the loss may be less than policy amount. You are not allowed to get actual loss amount because actual loss also may be more than policy amount. So the correct answer is option C, policy amount or actual amount, whichever is less. And the last question is subject matter of life insurance is what? Human life, physical property, ship or cargo. So when we are talking about life insurance, it is related with life only. So the correct answer is option A, human life. So here our test is over. You people add your marks and tell me your score in comment section.